This
integration.
conference will now be recorded.
Okay, connect soap. Okay, service soap. Okay, connect rest. Okay, service rest. Connect file. Repositories. Okay, repository APIs. File listener. Okay, file listener. Okay, file listener means okay, file listener. You can service file. Okay, email listener. Okay, service email. And this one already we discussed. Connect file. Connect SQL. Okay, connect SQL already we discussed. Okay, external database integration. Okay, already we discussed. So these are the integrations I'm going to cover. Connect soap, service soap, connect rest, and service soap, service rest, connect file, file listeners, email listeners, and repositories. So we have a different repositories are available. How we can place the file into repository. These things we'll discuss. Okay. Okay, every day one integration like that. Okay, will target. And exception handling is the separate one. Okay, end of the after completion of the all the integrations, we'll discuss about okay, authentication, separate class, one class authentication, separate one class for exception handling. Overall, okay, all integrations, how we can do the exception handling. That is one class. Okay, we'll discuss. Okay, first one. First we'll discuss okay, when we can go for connectors, when we can go for services and all. Okay, we'll discuss. Now see here. Okay, application one. There is application one. Okay, there is application two. Sir, why we need okay, why we need to connect with some different application? We'll discuss first one. Sir, there is application one developed by some different technology. Okay, application one developed by some different technology. Application two developed by some different technology. Like you can think that Java and .NET. Okay, .NET. Or else now here this one is a Java application. Okay, this one some different application, web method. Okay, web methods. Okay, so some different applications. You can think that application one developed by some different technology. Okay, application one developed by some different technology. Sir, how we can integrate? Why do you need to integrate? Okay, why we want to integrate these two applications? Why we want to integrate these two applications? Okay, now here you can observe. Even okay, if you open some of the websites and okay, if you open some of the websites, or else now, for example, you can think that from HDFC, HDFC ATM. From HDFC ATM, sir, we can withdraw the amount, okay, by using SBI ATM card or ICICI Bank ID okay, cards, or else some different cards, even Axis Bank. Axis Bank. So now you are withdrawing the amount from okay, you are withdrawing the amount from HDFC Bank ATM by using SBI card or ICICI Bank card, okay, Axis Bank card. Sir, when you want to withdraw, you are giving some inputs. Based upon those inputs, it is authenticating, and okay, you can verify your balance, and you can verify okay your how much balance is available, or else you want to withdraw some amount, we can do. Sir, when you withdraw the amount from this HDFC ATM, immediately it is updating total amount in our bank. Sir, without integrating, how we can do these things? It means they integrated internally, right? Come on, everyone.
Yes, yeah.
Sir, internally they integrated, right? Now, how we can withdraw the amount from amount from HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank ATM to ATM with our SBA or else ICICI or else different cards. Means they integrated. Internally they integrated. Okay, sir. Now old days and okay, if you observe old days, okay, 10 years or else not 5 years back or 7 years back, you want to take one sim card. At that time, what we will do in general in a sim card, if you want to purchase a sim card, we will fill the form. We will fill the form almost 7 or 8 years before, or 9 years before, or 10 years before. If you want to purchase any sim card, first we will fill the form. Okay, this form, what they will do, they will send to vendor. Okay, vendors means Vodafone or Airtel or Idea. Sir, now this form they will send to these people. They will verify. Means minimum it will take 2 days, right, to activate your SIM card. Old days, yes or no? Come on,
Yes, sir.
sir. To activate, it will take 2 days of time. It will take minimum 2 days of time to activate. Okay, you will fill the form. What they will do? See, these people fill the form means okay, from any shops and any shop, any shop. Okay, any shop. Now if you want to purchase any sim card, we will fill the form. That form, these people, what they will do, they will send to these vendors. They will verify. They will register in their okay in their websites. After that they will activate. 2 days or else 3 days or else 1 week, it will take to activate the sim. Okay, sir. Now whether it will take that much of time now? Now whether it will take that much of time? No. Sir, any shop, okay, any shop, okay, what they are doing? Sir, any shop, from these shop websites, they will scan your Aadhaar card. Whether they will fill the form? No. They will scan your Aadhaar card. Immediately that request it will send to these vendors. Yes or no? And okay, it will, okay, that request, whatever phone, okay, whatever SIM card now you want to purchase, what they will do? They will ask you your Aadhaar card and then they will scan your Aadhaar card. At that time, automatically all the details, your first name, last name, your date of birth, address, automatically it will get or not? Yes or no? You will get the details, right? Okay, when any normal shop people also, when they are scanning your Aadhaar card, automatically they will get. Means they are connecting with some government application to get your details. Agree? They are connecting with some different government application to get the details. After that, or else not only government application, you can think that not only government application, because these people are connecting with this application, because this application people, they will place a request. They will place a request. Immediately that request it will go here, and then these application people will connect with some different application, government application, government application. So now see, immediately they are activating within 5 minutes. They are activating. Means here also some integration is happening between the applications. Between the applications. Okay, now here next example. Sir, sir, now I want to book APSRTC government buses. APSRTC. APSRTC buses. Now I want to book. Sir, 7 years back or 8 years back, 7 years back and 8 years back, if you want to book APSRTC, buses 7 years or 8 years back, we can book only from APSRTC website only. Okay, we can book tickets from only APSRTC website only. Agree? 7 years or 8 years back, we can book the tickets from only in this website only. Now, now, sir, we can book the tickets from Redbus. We can book the tickets from Abibus. Sir, we can book the tickets from Paytm. Yes or no? Sir, different, different websites we can book a tickets. Yes or no, and everyone? From Redbus we can book the tickets, right? From Abibus also we can book the tickets. From Paytm also we can book the tickets. We can book the tickets. Sir, now we can think that, for example, now I am placing a request. Sir, when you are placing a request, I want to book the ticket. Sir, now I want to book the ticket. Again, here, okay, one person, X person. Okay, now I am booking the tickets from here. Some different person is booking the tickets from here. Some different person is booking the tickets from here. Sir, now, okay, now I want to book a ticket. Okay, when I'm going to send a request, this is the bus, these many states, these many seats, these many adults, from this date to this date. Now I'm traveling. Sir, now you will send some request to this website, means this application. Agree? And then these people will confirm. After that, we will get the confirmation. Okay, success or failure, whether your ticket is confirmed or not. Means here also there is some integration in between these two applications. Agree?
Yes, sir.
There
Yeah.
is some integration in between these two applications also. Okay, there. See, why we want to integrate the two applications? Data transfer. Yes or no? And come on.
Yes, sir.
Sir, for that purpose only, you are integrating. Sir, whatever scenarios now I explained, for each scenario, the way of whatever data you are sending, whatever data you are receiving is different, right? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Whatever data you are sending, whatever data you are receiving, it is same in every scenario. No,
No, sir.
no, it's not like the same. Different. Depends on your business. Okay, fine. Sir, now you can think again. Sir, is it possible to update your okay, for example, I have an account in APSRTC website. I have some account in APSRTC website. Sir, is it possible to update my details from my my profile details from Redbus?
Yes.
Oh, is it possible? No, I want to update my profile information, bro. Profile information means you have an account in this website. Is it possible to update?
No, sir.
No.
No,
No.
no, no.
No. See, they gave the option to us to book a ticket. Oh, in this website, so many functionalities are available. Whether they are exposing all the information to third-party applications.
No.
No, they are exposing only some limited data. Hey, you cannot update. Just you can book the tickets from here. Just you can book the tickets from here. That's it. Here also integrating. Okay, sir. Any immigration? Sir, any immigration and okay, any immigration, visa immigration. You can think that. Sir, any immigration. Sir, okay, what they will do? Okay, when they are entering a passport number, automatically they will get all your details. Agree? Come on. When they are entering your passport number, immigration officer or else okay, visa officer, when they are entering your passport number, they will get all your details. Yes or no? Your previous travel history, all the information they will get. Means there is some integration here also is happening. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Even okay, not only this one, bro. Whatever you know, any shopping mall or else some any shopping mall. Okay, some websites you can think that we have some websites. Sir, if they enter your PAN card number, sir, automatically, okay, they will get all the details. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Sir, now they will get all the details. Again, here also some there is some integration. Okay, now again here second one, CBL check. Means here also they are connecting with some different system. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Means they are checking, they are connecting with some different system. Sir, now why we want to integrate the two applications? Okay, now clear everyone? Okay, why we are integrating two applications, two different applications? Sir, one application contains one type of data, another application contains some different type of data. You want to access the data, you want to access or you want to transfer the data between the two applications. For that purpose, we will integrate two applications. We will integrate two applications. Okay, sir. Okay, how we can integrate? How we can integrate? Sir, how we can integrate? This one is through web services and web services. By using web services, we can integrate two different applications developed by two different technologies, or else same technologies also fine. Same technologies, two different or else same technologies. Sir, how we can integrate? By using web services, we can integrate two applications developed by two different technologies or else same technologies. Okay, here what are the different types of web services are available? What are the different types of web services are available? One is the SOAP and REST. One is the SOAP, another one is the REST. By using SOAP, we can integrate the two applications. By using REST also, we can integrate the two applications. Okay, sir, by using web services, okay, web services types is SOAP and REST. You can integrate two different applications. Two different applications. Next one. Sir, okay. Now Pega point of view we will discuss. Okay, Pega point of view we will discuss. For example, and Barclays. Okay, Barclays is the one organization. Sir, in this organization contains many applications. Yes or no? Barclays is the one bank. In this bank contains many applications. Sir, is it mandatory to develop all applications by using Pega only
No, sir.
or only Java
No.
or only C++? Come on. Sir, what they have so many applications. Is it mandatory to develop all applications by using Pega, by using Java, by using C? No. That means different technologies they will use. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Different technologies they will use. And sir, now see same organization, they have different applications. Each application people will develop some different technologies. Different technologies they will use to develop those applications. They will use the different technologies. Okay. Now we can think that means okay, in our mind you need to think that okay, to connect with any Pega projects, and you need to think that for example now you are working with AIG. Okay, they have so many applications. Each application they will develop different technologies, different technologies. So now they want to transfer the data in between the two applications. Application one developed by the Pega, application two developed by some different application, a different technology. They want to transfer between, okay, transfer the data in between these two applications. For that purpose, we will use the integrations. Clear now? Okay, in our mind, you need to think that, okay, external application means, so don't think that different one within the application, sir, within the same organization. Okay, different, we have a different technologies, so they will develop applications by using some different technologies. So one application data, they want like some different application people for some different purpose. At that time we will use the integrations. So what is the integration? Okay, sir, soap or rest, these integrations we will use. Okay, now next one. Sir, for example, now here, now you can say any client, okay, any client, and any client, if they are okay, they are maintaining a different applications, at that time they will use the different technologies, different technologies. At that time they want to transfer the data in between the two applications. For that purpose, we will do the integration. Okay, fine. Okay, next one. Sir, for example, okay, now you know why we will do the integrations. Now this is the reason. Okay, now we can think that. For example, sir, now Barclays is the one application. And Barclays is the one application. Sir, now okay, these people, okay, Barclays application people, okay, they are processing the loan request. Loan request. Okay, sir, now they are processing the loan request, or else some insurance policy or claim. Okay, these application people, okay, they are processing the claim request. They are processing the loan request. They are processing loan request. Okay, sir, now here you can see like that so many applications. Okay, fine. After that, okay, now whoever want to join into in their organization, okay, account creation, account to open, account to open. Now we can think that, sir, like that they have different applications are available. Okay, different applications are available. Okay, for example, now I want to open my account. Okay, I want to open one account in Barclays Bank. So what they will do? They will register customer details. Agree? Right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
They will register customer details. Okay, fine. So this Barclays people, so they will tell that, okay, now you are okay, opening the account. Okay, fine. So now you are capturing the customer details from UI. Sir, these details we can store into our customer table. Agree, bro? Right?
Yes.
Customer table. Scenario one. Okay, scenario one. Okay, what is the scenario? Okay, account open is the one case type, and we developed some screens, and these customer details will be stored into the customer, okay, Pega table. Customer Pega table. Pega table it is storing. Okay, fine. So now Abhilash is the, okay, business fees from business side. Sir, now I'm storing into where? Sir, I'm storing into within Pega
Customer
application.
service.
Within Pega application. Okay. Sir, if I'm storing into the within the Pega application, it is this data is specific to this application only, right?
Yes, sir.
Some other application people also want that customer information. Some other application people also want that customer information. You got it right? What is my requirement now? Hmm. Sir, now other application people also want this customer information. Now Abhilash told that, hey, don't store the customer information into your Pega database. I don't want to store. Because this is the confidential information. I don't want to store into in our tables or else in our application. All the customer related information you need to store into some common place, common database. Every application people can access the data. Like that will be there or not in our real-time projects. Like that will be there or not in our real-time projects? Come on. Sir, instead of storing the customer details into the customer table, okay, we will store those details into the common place. From that common place, other application people also can access. Even not only that purpose and confidential. Now you are fully depending on Pega, right? Pega database you are storing. They don't want. They don't want. Now you want to store into some separate table, not Pega table, not Pega table, some different table, different table, some different table. Sir, now you can tell me in this scenario, you can think that some integration is required or not. Come on. In this scenario, some required. So not directly you don't have any connectivity. You cannot directly store data into this table. You cannot store directly data into this table. You need to send a request to in between some Java application. In between some Java application. These Java application people will store the data. Sir, these Java application people will store the data. See, now what you need to do, whenever you want to store the data, okay, request, you need to send to whom? You need to send a request to whom?
Java application.
Java application people. This Java application people will store the data into customer table. Customer table. Sir, now whenever you want to open an account, okay, this is the process. Means in this scenario, integration is required or not? In this scenario, integration is required or not? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second one, you want to claim something scenario. You want to claim something. Okay, Barclays people they developed one application to process the claim request. Okay, to process the claim request. Sir, when they are processing the claim request, first we will validate okay, policy, whether he is a valid policy holder or not. Yes or no? Saurabh?
Yes, sir.
Or we will validate, right? We will validate whether he is a valid policy holder or not. Sir, now how from where you will validate whether policy information is storing into your application?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir, external database.
No external database also. The policy information is storing into some different application.
Yes, sir. External people.
Sir, now
They will send.
you cannot you are processing your Pega application, just processing the case info, processing your request and complaint request, loan request. When we discussed about just like workflows,
Yes, sir.
for that
Yes.
purpose we are using our Pega applications. So now I want to process means at that time, sir, search policy. Okay, now we need to connect with some different system or not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
To connect with, now I want to connect with some different system. A different system now I want to connect. I will verify he is a valid customer or not, and then I will pull the okay, that policy related details, how much balance amount is available, how much you used previously, what is your first name, what is your policy expiry date, what is policy start date, dependents for this policy, all the information we can pull from some external system. Agree? See, means you need integration. Yes or no? Oh, here you are storing the data. You are here you are fetching the data. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Not only this one. I have one more case type like update customer. Update customer. Sir, now I can place a request even update whenever you want to. Now here also you are searching, right? Search customer with the customer ID. Now you are getting a data. Means here also integration is required or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, now you are updating the customer. Update customer. Again here also required integration or not?
Yes, sir.
Here also integration is required. Sir, here one integration, here one integration, here one integration. Update is different. Okay, create is different. Search is different. So now here fetching details and then you are processing a request. Similar way, like a scenario. Loan request. You want to process your loan request. Okay, fine. Sir, okay. At that time, you will enter your. Okay, you will. Okay, they will ask you your account number, right? Any of the account number. Yes or no?
Yes,
They
sir.
will ask you
Yes,
your
sir.
PAN card. They will ask you your PAN card number. PAN card number. Sir, India point of view, PAN card. Other countries point of view, SSN number and okay, NI number like that. Sir, when they ask PAN card number, okay, sir, now they will check if CIBIL check or not. Sir, they will verify, right? If you want credit card, if you want like a debit card, sir, they will check with some different system, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now again, when they are giving even PAN card number, automatically they will get all your details. What are the, how many existing loans with this PAN card? How many existing loans with how many okay, due amounts, every details you will get. They will get. Yes or no? Means here also they are connecting with some different system. Means okay, what I want to tell you is when you are processing the case okay within the Pega application at that time it's required to connect with some different system to get the data or to update the data or to insert the data directly not into the DB and from some different system we will connect and then we will insert we will update we will delete we will okay we will get fully list of records or a single record. For that purpose what we need again we need to do the integrations. Sir, why we are integrating and again clear these things also everyone clear? Hello, I can remove right now this one fine okay. Sir, now we'll discuss about sir okay, connectors. Sir, here you can see the connectors and services. Okay, fine. Sir, now we'll come here. Sir, first one connectors and services. Sir, when we can go for connectors and when we can go for services? When we can go for connectors and when we can go for services? First one okay, we'll discuss. Sir, connectors means okay this the blind syntax. Okay, blind syntax you can think that Pega application, external application or third party system you can think like that. Okay, third party external application or else a third party system. Okay, sir, now Pega application in the connectors point of view. Okay, so okay, we'll discuss now. Sir, first one connectors and services. Sir, in a connectors, who is going to give the request? In a connectors, who is going to give the request?
Pega
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 application.
application.
Pega
Pega. Who
application.
is going to give the response?
External application.
External
External
application.
application.
Services?
Pega application
Pega
is
will
going to
give
provide
Services.
services.
Okay. Services, external application will give the request and response. Okay. Sir. Sir, I am in some different location. You people are in some different location. Sir, we integrated to each other. How you are communicating? How you are communicating to each other? Uh, how we are
Webs.
communicating together? Through go to
Go to meeting.
meeting.
Meetings. Yes, sir.
Go to meeting. Okay, now see here. This is the one way to communicate through go to meeting link. You people are joining. Okay, I'm also joining. Whatever I'm speaking, you are getting, and whatever you are speaking, I'm getting. Okay, I'm also getting. Whatever I'm going to write in a notepad or whatever I'm going to type in my okay go to meeting chat. Now you can see Whatever you are going to type, I'm able to see. Okay, means okay, we are transferring the data in between us. Yes or no? We are
Yes, sir.
transferring the data in between us. Okay. Okay, again here you can think. Sir, whatever link I sent to you. Sir, who provided the link and this link who provided?
You,
Sir,
sir.
you.
Okay, I provided. Okay. Okay, I provided this GoToMeeting link to you. Whether you people provided? No. Why you people didn't provide the link? Why I only provided?
You are organizing the meeting, sir.
I'm organizing the meeting. Means what?
Sir, you are the host. That's why.
Okay, I'm a host. That's why. Okay. You can think some different way. Saurabh.
Sir, you are the service provider. That's why you are providing us the link.
Okay, I'm a service provider. Means you are expecting something from me. What you are expecting from me?
Link.
No, fine. What you are expecting, Kishore?
Any data.
Response.
Okay. So now you are expecting some subject or else some technical related things, right?
Information.
Information now you want. Okay, from me you want
Response.
some information. Pega information now you want. Okay, sir, what is your request? You people only asked, I want, okay, I want to learn Pega. See, some request came to me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, whoever is joining the classes, bro, I also want to join the classes. You sent one message to me. Immediately, what I responded, hey, please join from this link. Please send okay, please send a message to this mobile number, like that. Okay, and then join classes from this link. Sorry, when you are giving a request, I'm sending a response. I'm sending a response. Okay, now, okay, sorry, how we can connect to each other? Immediately we'll ask, okay, fine, I'm ready to join. Then how we can join? Okay,
Through
whether we will
link, sir.
join, whether we will join from GoToMeeting, or else whether we will join from a WebEx, or else whether we will join from Teams, other whether we will join from Google Meet, or else whether we will join from Zoom. Sir, how we will join? And then you people asked, hey, oh, what is whether you will send a notepad and recorded files or not? A recorded file, what format? This type of discussion we discussed or not before joining these classes? Yes or no? When
Yes,
you
sir.
want to join the classes, okay, this is the common discussion and common discussion. Common discussion we will discuss together. Okay, now see here. Okay, one more thing. Whenever you want to integrate two different applications, very simply they will give a request, and then we will send the response. Whether it is fine, how these two applications will connect to each other. Someone will provide a WSDL URL. Sir, WSDL URL. Sir, WSDL URL. Sir, this URL who will provide? This URL who will provide? Okay, now we can think that. For example, 50 people are joining my classes. Just we can think that. Each one shared the link. It's very difficult, right? And
Yes, sir.
it's very difficult. Means whoever is going to send a response, if those people, if they share, then whoever want, they can connect with that application. Agree?
Yes, sir.
See, if I prepare one link and then whoever is asking, whoever wants something from me, I can share this link, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I can share this link. Similar way, okay, here also this is the one of the blind point you people need to remember. Sir, who will give this WSL URL? Even interviews point of view also will ask. Sir, whoever is going to send a response, that application people will give the this WSL URL. Okay, na? Clear? Everyone?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Yes,
whoever
sir.
is going
Yes, sir.
to send a response that okay, in a connector's point of view, who will give the WSL URL? Who will give the
External
WSD URL?
External.
external application
External
people.
application. In a services, who will give the WSD URL?
Pega application.
Pega.
Pega
So
application.
blind syntaxes and easily automatically people will remember. Okay. So now here in a connectors. Okay, connectors. Pega application will send the request and external application, okay, will provide the
Response and other things.
response to Pega application request. Sir, now who will provide the WSL URL? In a connectors, okay, in a connectors, external application, so will provide the WSDL URL. Okay, blind syntax, you can remember this one. Here, services point of view,
External application will send the request.
services in external application.
Pega
Okay, sir, now here. Sir, now who will provide the WSL URL? Here.
Pega.
Pega
Pega
So now
application.
Pega application will give. Okay. Pega application will provide the WSL URL. Sir, blind syntax and okay, you can remember first to these basic points. Please remember. Sir, in a connectors, who is going to give the request? Who is going to give the response? In a services, who is going to give the request? Who is going to send the response? Again, I am telling that. Sir, without integrations, okay, in interview point of view, mostly they will reject, mostly and okay. Sir, daily basis, each day I will discuss one integrations. Please prepare in the same day itself. Okay, 1 minute. Sorry. Sir, end of the class, okay, each one, okay, I will explain the way of explanation also, how you people need to explain in interview. Okay, please prepare same pattern. Okay, now, first one. Right. Sir, in a services, who is going to give the request, who is going to send the response, who is going to provide the WSL URL. And here also, who is going to give the connectors, who is going to give the request, who is going to send the response. Please remember. Okay. Sir, today's first class we will discuss about service soap. And first class we will discuss about service soap. First integration we will discuss about service soap. Okay. Now you can think and tell me in a service soap who is going to give the request and who is going to send the response.
External application is going to give a request. Pega application will send the response to external application.
Oh. Who is going to provide a WSDL URL?
Pega application will
Pega.
provide with endpoint.
Sir, based upon what? Okay, based upon what? Okay, how you are still telling? Based upon what you are telling? Sir, here, what is the keyword? Service. Services means blindly you can remember this one. Okay, na? Everyone? Hello? Blindly you can remember this one. And say,
Yes, sir.
blindly you can remember. Services means service soap, service rest, service file, service email. All the places, service soap, service rest, service file, service email. The service file, you can think that service file. Who will send the file? Who will send the
External
file?
system.
External.
External. Service email. Who will send email?
External.
External user. External user. External application will send a file. Okay, in a service rest, who will give the request? Who will give the request? External application. In a service of who is going to give the request? Like that, blindly you can remember. And blindly you can remember. See, now you want to place a file. There is some folder path. Who will give that folder path? Who will give the folder
External
path?
system.
Yeah. No. Who is going to give the folder path? Who is going to give the endpoint URL here in this scenario?
Pega,
Pega.
sir.
Pega.
Pega. We
Yeah.
only.
Sir, who will give the folder path?
Pega people, sir.
Pega
Pega.
only.
The application.
Sir, you will send an email. What email ID you will send? How external user will know? You are looking for personal loan, or you are looking for gold loan, or you are looking for some complaint. They will send an email. What email? Who will give that email ID?
Sir, Pega people only.
People.
We only, sir. Pega
If
application
it is
people.
a
Yes.
loan request, then send an email to this email. If it is a car loan, send an email to this email ID. Means you are providing that information, and because you are giving a response like that, please remember. Okay, in the first integration now we are discussing about service soap, and in a service soap, who is going to give the request? Come on.
External
External
application.
people.
In a service soap, okay, external application is going to give the request, and Pega application will provide the response to external application. In a service soap, who is going to provide a WSDL URL?
Pega application, sir.
Pega
We only.
application.
Okay, now, fine. Sir, there are two applications, right? There are two applications. This application developed by some different technology. This application developed by some different technology. Sir, this data will be available in some different format. This data will be available in some different format. Sir, how these two people will communicate to each other? Okay, you can
Through
think.
web service.
Saurav, whether you know Telugu.
No, sir.
Okay, I don't know Hindi. How we are communicating to each other?
Sir,
Common
English.
language.
What is
English.
the common language? English. Sir,
English.
okay. Sir, now you can see that whatever I'm going to speak, okay, that data, for example, even I don't know English. Even you also don't know English. Even you also don't know English. Then how we can communicate to each other, bro?
Sir, it will
Some
be difficult, sir.
translator,
Translator.
some translator. In between us, there is some translator. That translator will convert whatever you are speaking, whatever I am speaking. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah, So similar way here also. And sir, your Pega data, okay, what format your Pega data is available?
Clipboard format.
Clipboard format, sir.
Clipboard format. How they can understand this your clipboard format data? How these application people these application data will be available in some different format, some different format. Okay, clipboard format and the different format and okay, how we can okay, these application people can understand. See, what is the common language between these two applications is the XML language. Okay, na everyone
Yes, sir.
clear? It's a
Yes, sir.
XML format. XML format. Okay, we'll discuss and one by one. Okay, we'll discuss. Now we can say, okay, sir, now, okay, Pega application data is available in XML format and external application data available in some different format. Okay, when we are connecting to each other, when you are connecting to each other, at that time we will request. Okay, again here also when you are starting any integrations and okay, just like 5 minutes, I will give some different explanation. Okay, in any real-time projects, any real-time project, blindly we will not start the integration. Blindly we will not start the integration. Okay, first initial there is some discussions in between these two applications. Some your LSAs, okay, your LSA and your BA, and what is your requirement. First they will discuss what type of data we want from that application people, why we want that data, what purpose they want. First they will discuss together. Pega leads your LSA and BA and business also. Okay, now this type of data we want. From where we will get this data? Okay, for example, you are from Pega application. Okay, you don't know. Okay, immediately business will tell that hey, this data will be available in this particular system because you are from Pega, you don't know where the data is available, from where we will get that data. Immediately when you are discussing the requirements at that time, hey, this is the real-time data I need to get from some different system. Okay, from where we will get? From this system. Okay, from this system we need to get the data to process this type of request. Okay, fine. Okay, now we will discuss that. Okay, what are the different elements? What are the different elements will involve in this entire process? First, we'll discuss. Okay, Pega BA and Pega LSA. Some technical people will involve in that meeting. Once we got some clarity from our Pega end, we'll connect with that particular external system. Before starting any development, generally this type of discussions we'll do in the back end. And what we will do, we'll discuss with that particular team. Okay, we will set up some calls with that particular team, and then we will okay inform to them this is our requirement. Okay, this is our requirement. This type of data we want from you people. Okay, now tell me what are the details are required from us. And okay, this is our requirement. This type of data we want from you. Okay, they have some lot of data. Okay, what they have some lot of data. Okay, it's not mandatory to send all the data. We will tell that okay, only we want this type of data. Okay, like that there is some discussions in between these two teams. Okay, like not one meeting and 3 to 4 meetings, 5 meetings. Once we got the clarity, some mutual understanding in between the teams, then we will start the development. They will ask us, okay, now you want this data. Okay, fine. If you want this type of data, this type of these are the different input elements. These are the inputs. These are the mandatory fields. These are the optional fields. Okay, we want this field in this format. We want this format. Okay, this field in this format. Date in this format. Okay, data. Okay, sir, some validations. All together we will discuss. And response. Okay, what type of response? Now I want this response. These are the fields we want. They will also will explain. Okay, now if you are providing this information, then we will send this data. And what are the all we'll discuss, what are the exception handling, all we'll discuss in that call itself. If you're when you're sending, if the data is not available, what is the error code you will send? Okay, what is the response you will send? Okay, if not available, okay, what type of data you will send? If available, what format you will send? Okay, fine. And what format also we'll discuss that. Okay, what format you want? For example, now I want this data. Okay, I want this data. What format you want that request? They will ask us, okay, now you want this data. You can send either in XML format or else JSON format. They will ask us, and they will ask us, okay, you can send the data in the form of XML or else the data in the form of JSON. Like that, there is some common discussion between security related things. All these things we will discuss together. After that, we will prepare one technical document. In the technical document, we'll specify all the elements. What are the requests? What are the responses? What are the fields validations? And then all, okay, sir, your BA will create okay, you will create a different stories with that integration. Okay, these are the request mapping, these are the fields, these are the validations are required, like that. Okay, they will create a stories, and then we will start the development. Okay, one story they will assign to one person, and then we will complete end to end. Any issues also we will connect with that particular team, and then we will ask them to debug from their end what time you sent a request. That is a common process we will follow. Okay, so now, okay, when we are discussing at the term what format you want, based upon the format we will decide that whether we will go for SOAP or else REST. If they are asking to send a request in this form of XML, then we will go for SOAP. In case if they are asking, hey, you want this data but we are expecting a JSON format, okay, then we will go for REST. Based upon the format, then we will decide that what type of, whether we can go for SOAP or REST. Okay, we will decide. And see, if they are expecting like XML format, then we will go for okay, SOAP. And if they are expecting like a JSON format, then we will go for REST. Like that, one blind point you can remember. Sir, now here they are expecting like, sir, whatever data you are sending, could you please send that data in the format, in the form of XML. For example, these people are from Java application. We asked them, hey, please send data in the form of XML. Okay, we asked them, okay, please send the data in the form of, even when you are sending a response also, I will send the response in the XML format. XML format, like that. Sir, okay, XML format, like that. Sir, in a SOAP point of view, okay, in a SOAP, we will get the request and response in the XML format. Okay, 1 minute. You can see here. Okay, the structure also try to remember. Okay, structure also try to remember it. Okay, XML. Okay, now we can see here. Mm. Okay, in case if you want to go through this XML tutorial, you can go through this XML tutorial. Okay, 1 minute. I will write this one as well. SOAP, simple object
Access protocol.
protocol. Okay, next one is WSDL means
So web services description language.
WSDL web service.
Description language.
Okay, sir. So now here you can see, okay, extensional markup language, simple object protocol, web services with description language. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, some of the things you need to remember. And okay, now if you go through this one, then you can understand. Okay, here you can see simple note. Okay, simple. This is a simple XML format. Okay, this is a simple XML format. Sir, note to from remainder body. Remainder body. This tag what we can call? This tag what we can call?
So root element.
Root element. Okay, what we can call this tag? To tag, from tag, and heading tag, body
So element.
element. Okay, root element and element. Okay. Now here you can see, observe here. And I will not see these things. Okay, okay. No need to go through that much of this one entire XML course. Okay, it's not required. Just you can remember. any request, any request or response, any request or response. For single property, agree? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
try to understand this one. Okay, single property. Sir, page property, agree?
Yes, sir.
Page list, that's it. And is there any other format? Tell me. Come on, is there
No,
any?
no, sir. No,
That's
sir.
it. Right? Any complex case also. Now we can think that. Okay. Sir, now two. Okay. Sir, now any element, any element, any element. Okay, any element. Now we can observe here. Sir, now here, if it is showing like that, if it is showing like that, starting we can say like that. Start. Okay, na? I can say like that. Saurav. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So start. Sir, now here, if you are giving like that, now you want to end. Sir, now you want to end this start tag. Sir, how we can end is syntax. You can give this clash. Okay, na? Clash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this one indicates end. This one indicates end. Okay. Sir, now single property means, okay, example, single property means, okay, this is the single property. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
two is the single property. What you will do? Two, you will create one single property. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, two is the single property. Single. Okay. Single. Single property. Sir, two is the one single property. Sir, this is the element. Okay, in Pega point of view, what you can call? What
Sir, property.
property? Sir, this is the property will create. What is this one, bro?
Value, sir. Value.
Value.
Value. This is the value. And okay, your single property ended. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
for example, if I ask you to develop this one, what are the fields you are going to create now?
To, from, heading, body.
This is the one field you are going to create. This is the another field you are going to create. This is the another field you are going to create. This is the another field you are going to create in Pega. Single properties. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
now this is your root element. Inside the root elements, these elements are available. What is the type of this one?
Page property, sir. Page property.
Okay, note is your page property. So note is your page property. Okay, note is your page property, and like that you need to form. Okay, sorry. Now if I explain this simple format, okay, now you need to think it will repeat, right? Come on, it will
Yes, sir.
repeat or not?
Yes, sir.
It will repeat. How it will repeat? Okay, okay. Sir, now here dependent. So for example, dependent. Okay, dependent. Now dependent name. Now I'm forming a dependent name. Okay, Lakshmi. Hmm. Sir, now I'm ending. Okay. Okay, fine. How many elements are available in this okay page?
Two elements, sir.
Okay, now if I ask you to form this structure, what you will do? One page property, two page properties you will create, five, six single properties you will create. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just like see, no need to go through this entire thing, and just you can think blindly. In case if you still if you didn't understand, you can think that oh, any tag starting no slash symbol. When you are ending means okay, this one is okay, we are ending. You can think that this is the one element, this is the another element, this is the another element, this is the another element, like that. Sorry, again here you can see elements come here. If you want to learn okay, some in-depth, you can go unnecessarily, no, even it's not required also, clearly distinguish this is the one element. Okay, this is the value, this is the value, this element contains attributes, even attributes, this is the text attributes, other elements. So now here you can see different one. Sir, bookstore. Sir, bookstore and book. And book. Now you can tell me. Okay, I will take this example, then you will understand easily. So now this is the one structure you know. Okay, now another structure I will explain. Sir, now you can tell me in this point of view, okay, bookstore and book. Okay, now what is the type of the properties you can tell me? For example, if I ask you to form this structure, okay, Pega, okay, response structure. Sir, for example, just you can think, bro. This example itself I will practice, or this example itself I will give the assignments. Sir, when they are going to give the book ID. Sir, when they are going to give the book ID, okay, sir, now I want to send this list of details. Okay, you got it
Ye-
right now?
yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Now tell me what is your structures?
Sir, bookstore is the page
Page
property
list.
which is
Page
accessing
list.
the thing.
One
Page
minute,
list.
step by
Page
step. Okay, okay, one
Store
minute.
No,
is a
no.
page.
Page
Bookstore is
property,
what is
sir.
bookstore
Is
is
a
what is
page property.
super
It's a
page
page
property.
property, sir.
Correct, perfect. Page property. Next one.
Sir, then is a book category, sir.
Uh,
Sir, which is accessing the we are accessing. This is another page property, sir.
okay, sir, which one?
Sir, book category, sir. Book.
Okay, book category. No, this category is a attribute.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's a book. Yes, sir.
Ah,
Book.
come on.
Sir, this is one book is one sir, property page list
What is the
property.
property? What is the type of the property? I want that one only.
Page list property, sir.
Ah,
Page.
page list
Page list.
property. Okay, like that. Please remember, and any complex one also easily we can understand. Easily we can understand. What about remaining title and year, price?
Single property, sir.
Title, author. Same example you can practice.
Yes, sir.
Single properties.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes,
Hello, sir.
bro.
Yes, sir. Sir, that bookstore is the page property which is accessing the page list property single. That is the way we will form the structure, no, sir.
Yes.
In the main class, that will be the page property, and there in the main request class and request class will create the
We'll
page list
discuss
property.
okay, when I'm going
Yes,
to
sir.
discuss about this format. Okay, sir. If you understand this format, sir, other than this one, whoever is worked integrations, tell me, bro, is there any other formats other than these formats? Come on, no, right?
No, sir.
No.
Mostly
No, sir.
these things only. Okay, mostly these things only. Okay, we'll discuss that is structure and all how we can form also. We'll discuss and okay. Now simple format. Now you got no need in depth and all and okay. No need in depth and all. Okay, now people are expecting. So now here you can see. Okay, you can see here they mentioned attribute has one more value and all. Okay, you can ignore about these things in case if you want to go through inside each one, you can go through okay this website. Okay, you can go to this website. Okay, it's not required. Okay, now we'll discuss come to the Pega. Sir, what is our requirement when you are giving a request? Okay, when you are giving a request, that clipboard structure you want to convert it into the XML format. When you are giving a request, that clipboard request we want to give it into okay, they will send the response in the XML format. Okay, now see, fine. Now we'll discuss the scenarios. Sir, now scenarios. For example, sir, now you can think that now I am processing the request. Okay, and now I am processing the request. Leave request or anything you can think that. For example, now I am processing the leave request. Sir, now you can think, sir, first I need to verify employee details. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now you need to verify employee details. Sir, now you want to process your home loan request. Home loan request. Sir, first now I need to verify the customer. Yes or no? Whether customer is available or not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Similar way, when I'm processing the claim, first now we need to verify, right, whether claim policy holder is available or not.
Yes, sir.
Sir, when I want to process your complaint request, first I need to verify your product is available or not, whether you purchased or not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So think like that. Now I'm processing in between and wherever, not only this one, any example, you can create your own example. Okay. So now what is the scenarios is, for example, you can think that scenarios. Okay, scenarios. So what is my scenarios is, okay, for example, okay, employee, you can think that leave requested employee details or else customer details. Okay, customer details. So now what is my requirement? Okay, when I'm okay processing a request, first I'm going to verify the customer, whether customer is available or not. Oh, customer is not available. Now I'm going to create a new customer. If a customer is available, then fine, we will verify that customer and then we will process your request. See, these two scenarios only, right? Every project, okay, every project, these type of scenarios only, right? We will do, and if a customer, we will verify the customer, whether customer is available or not, then we will continue. If not available, what we will do, we will add that particular customer and then we will continue the process. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ah.
sir.
So now, even sometimes we will get the request to update the customer. Sometimes we will get the request to, for example, if you people implemented to delete functionality also from Pega, okay, update customers also from Pega, at that time we can use some different integrations. Sir, what is my requirement here is, okay, requirements. What is my use cases? Is use case one. Use case one. Sir, now send, okay, sir, now send customer details from Pega application based upon external application request. Clear? Use case one.
Yes, sir.
So now what is the use case is, for example, now you can decide and okay to send a customer details, okay, Pega application. You need to okay, a third party system, however you want to call, you can call third party system. Whatever structure now you want to form, you can form that complex structure also. Okay. So now you can see here. So now here, when they are giving a, I will give the customer ID. I will give the customer ID. Not only one and I will give the surname also. Okay, I will give the email ID. So depends, right? And is it mandatory to add only one?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Is it mandatory to add? Okay, is it mandatory to add multiple?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
It's not mandatory. Okay, it's not mandatory to add multiple. To it's not mandatory to add only one. Depends on your discussion, whatever request. Sir, now Pega people told that now if you provide a customer ID, then I will send a response. Okay, if you provide email ID, then also I will send a customer details. If you send your surname with okay customer ID or else surname with email ID, then also I will send a response. Means maybe different combinations, right?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, fine. Sir, what are the details we will send? These people will ask you. Okay, now here customer ID, a customer ID, okay, customer ID name, customer age, customer type, customer location, customer gender, dependent information. For example, just you can think that dependent list. I'm giving extending my requirement. Customer that customer related products. You can think that customer related products. So now you are sending a list of details. Yes or no? When you are providing a customer ID related dependent details, customer details, all the details now you are sending. Yes or no, Andy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now here these are the single properties. This is the page list property. This is the page list property. Now we want to send. So now when you are giving the customer ID, now this is the use case one. When you are giving a customer details, now I want to send this response. I want to send even, for example, address, customer address. Sir, okay, these are the single properties. These are the single properties. This is the page list property. This is the page property. In this page, okay, page property, you can see address line 1, address line 2, like that you can think. Customer requirement number 1 is this one, and clear.
Clear, sir.
Use case 2. Use case 2. Sir, when these application people are going to give the request, okay, when these application people are is going to give the request, what is the request they are giving? Okay, sir, now, sir, these application people will give this request, will give this request. Hmm. Sir, when these application people are going to give the request, I mean, insert. Sir, now this the request these people are sending. Okay. Sir, what is the response you want to send?
Successfully inserted, sir. Insert the recording to the document.
Sir, now you want to send one confirmation email. That's it, bro. Okay, na? Everyone?
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir, okay, you want to update the customer details in this scenario, next scenario. Sir, update the customer details. Whatever details they are going to send, now I want to update the customer details. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, next scenario, okay, next scenario, third scenario, fourth scenario. Sir, now fourth scenario, what is my requirement is, sir, what is the fourth, okay, third scenario, what is the fourth scenario is, sir, now delete the customer details. Sir, what again here, okay, in case if they give like only one ID, okay, one ID, okay, at that time, okay, even one ID, combination ID, it's not mandatory to give only one ID, okay, you can give different combination, okay, different combinations, okay, these are the mandatory details is required to delete your details, okay, delete your details, okay, in case if you provide these details, then only we can delete, okay, so now successfully deleted. This is the use case number 4. Use case number 5. Okay, clear. Now, what is my use cases? Come on,
Yes, sir.
everyone, clear ended? Okay, these are the my use cases. You people also need to practice and okay, clear now? What is my use cases now?
Yes, sir.
Sir, okay, okay. to achieve this requirement, what are the roles need to create in Pega? Sir, to achieve this one, you need to create some rules, right? There is some integration, right?
So
Come on. Sir, now to achieve these requirements, again you need to create some rules. To achieve this requirement, you need to create some rules. What type of rules you will create in Pega? Interview point of view, they will ask you, okay, did you work on service soap? Yes, I worked on service soap. Tell me, okay, first explain about service soap. Sir, in a service soap, okay, external application will give the request. Based upon that request, Pega application will send the request. Pega application will send the response to external system. In a service soap, okay, we will provide the endpoint URL to external system. Okay, fine. Then what are the rules you created? What are the rules you created in a service? So they will ask you. Explain one by one like that. People will ask you. Sir, now each scenario you choose case now if you want to implement, you need to create rules in Pega or not.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, what are the rules you will create? Sir, now what are the rules you will create? Sir, now here you can see to implement service soap service soap. Okay, we need to create below rules. Sir, to implement a service soap end to end, we need to create a rule. Below rules we need to create. Okay. Sir, what are the rules we will create in Pega? Sir, what are the rules we will create in Pega? Sir, now step number one, high level and create a request parameters. Create a request parameter. Step number two. One by one again we will discuss. Create a response parameter. Create a service package rule. Step number four. Create parse XML rule. Create XML stream rule. Okay, Nandi. High level, if someone is going to ask you what are the rules you are going to create okay, to implement service of high level, you people can tell right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, what are the tell me what are the rules you will create to implement service? So, sir, I will create a request parameters, a response parameter, service package rule, parse XML rule, XML stream rule, and service soap and activity. After that, they will ask you, tell me one by one, explain one by one. Sir, explain one by one. Like that, people will ask you. The request parameters. First one will discuss about request parameters. Sir, now see, I told right, sir, when we are discussing with some different system integration team at that time, we'll discuss that. May man provide this request, provide this response. Okay, these are the inputs are required. These are the outputs are required. Okay, these are the outputs are required. Okay, these are the outputs are required like that. Sir, now at that time we will create a request parameters. We will create a request parameters. So now what we will do is where we will create this request parameters. Sir, we will create a request parameters, request properties under means parameters means request property, request parameters in a request int class. We'll discuss practically also will int request integration class. Okay, we will create a list of request parameters. Okay, list of request parameters in a request class. Example, okay, single property or Okay, page property, page property, and page list property. Okay, Nandi? Like that, the structure it looks like that. The similar way, what about request for response parameters? Sir, now response parameter. Sir, we will create a list of response parameters. Response integration class. So similar this one also. Step number 2 and step number 1 is clear. Okay. Sir, next one is step number 3. Sir, what is the, even people will ask you, what is the use of service package role? What are the details we will specify in a service package role? Okay, people will ask you like that. Okay, sir, what type of authentication you are using? Like that, people will ask you. What is the use of access group in a service package role? They will ask you. What is the use of process mode? Process mode, like that also people will ask you. Sir, in a service package role, I will write some of the things. Sir, general, what is the use of service package is okay, when you are sending a request and what is the starting point when we are getting a request from some external system? What is the starting point? What is the starting point? What is the rule first it will invoke? Or first, what is the rule first it will call?
Service package.
Service
Service
package.
package.
Service package. So the service package, how Pega will recognize from whether we are providing service package name to some end people or other people? Yes. When you are providing an endpoint URL, right? That endpoint URL contains a service package. Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, how first rule it will invoke and the first rule, what is the rule? The service package, okay, will process the request to the Pega application. I can say like that. What is the use of service package? I can say like that. Is it fine, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Remaining people also. Is it fine if I tell like that? What is the use of service for when you are getting a request from some external system? First, it will invoke a service package and it will process that request into the Pega application. Like that, you people can explain. Okay, na? Okay, sorry, in a service package rule, we will specify the process mode, access group, and authentication. So in a service package rule, we can see the service method and endpoint URL means endpoint URL. Endpoint URL means WSDL URL, we can say. So now we can see this one service method and WSDL URL. Okay. So now some of the questions.
So John, in service package only will give the WSDL URL, right?
That one only I updated, bro. We can see
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
this one only. You are asking where we can see the endpoint URL or what? From where we
Yeah,
can
I'm
see?
asking like there only we'll see, right?
Yes, bro. We can see the service method and endpoint URL. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, is it possible to add multiple service methods in a single service package? Practically also I will show you.
Yes.
Service. Sir, how it will call? Which method it will call? How Pega knows? based upon query parameters, we can say like that. Inputs, whatever they are giving inputs, based upon this one, it will call that particular method. Okay. Next one, people will ask you, sir, what is the use of access group in a service package? What is the use of authentication in a service package? Okay. Sir, okay, sir, what is the process mode? Sir, process mode stateless or stateful means what? Okay, stateless or stateful means what? Anyone? Anyone want to tell? What is the use of stateless or stateful means what?
If we
Yes, sir.
want to maintain the response,
Ah,
So after processing the request, if you want to still maintain the response data in the clipboard, then you can choose process mode to stateful.
okay. Sir, if you want to, come on.
if we
Sir,
want to
Want to,
maintain the
maintain the
response.
response in clipboard,
sir, after completion of the request, still you want to maintain the data in the clipboard. Simple, abba. Okay. You got the request, bro. One request you got. Okay. Based upon that request, you are sending a response. Okay. When you are sending a response, based upon that response, again you want to get the data from some different system. Immediately, if you are clear, whether you will send that response as a request to some different system.
No, sir.
No. No. In general, most of the applications, what we will select?
Stateless, sir.
Why?
Sir,
So to
why?
save this space, clipboard space.
Yes, sir.
Clipboard. See, keep on if you are maintaining, what it will do? It
Sir,
will
it
increase
will
the
fill the
clipboard
clipboard
data.
data.
Okay, it will kill the clipboard data. Means it will reduce the performance, right? So now process
Yes,
mode
sir.
equal to process mode. Okay, in the process, if you want to maintain the okay response data in the clipboard after completion of the request. Request. Then
We will choose stateful. Select stateful. Yes, sir.
sir, what is the use of service package? Sir, what is the use of access group?
Sir, access group is responsible to call the rules in Pega application.
Okay, you can think, sir, simply you are giving a request, bro. You are from some Java. Okay, you are giving a request. How I will process? Tell me how. What is the rule need to call in Pega? From what application? What rule set? What class? How Pega knows?
to get the application
Access
context.
group.
access group.
Based upon the access
Based
group.
upon the access group.
Sorry, access group. Come on, access
Is a,
group
is a responsible
is responsible
To
to
call
call
the
to
the
rules in
call the rule
rules in Pega application
in Pega application
based upon the external application request.
based upon external application request. Sorry, okay, same rule is available in X application, Y application. Same rule is available in X class, Y class. Same rule is available in X rule set, Y rule set. Same like a class inheritance rule resolution algorithm. And okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, authentication. Sir, in this GoTo meeting, you can see one locked session is locked or unlocked.
logged, sir.
Oh, locked.
Unlocked, sir.
No, sir. Not
Unlocked.
locked.
Okay, not locked. In case tomorrow onwards, if whoever is not joining within 5 minutes, if I lock, is it possible to join?
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No.
Okay. Sir, now for example, same link if you share to your friends, whether they can join or not.
Yes, sir.
Same link if you forward my recorded file, if you forward to your friend, even he is not attending the classes, he is not in our group, he can download or not.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Is it possible to restrict all? Is it possible to restrict from my end all?
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes, possible, right? Yes, possible.
Yes.
No, no, sir. I
Yes,
can
sir.
see.
Download also you can restrict.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
restrict
Download and
some.
Uh,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
even a recorded file also. Even if I forward you, if I include some attribute, then you cannot download. If you forward same link to some different people also, they cannot download. Means all these things are security only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Security. So now what my information is secure. I don't want to share to everyone. Means what I will do now?
Authentication,
Authentic.
sir. You will.
So now what we will do? Now we will secure our data, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sometimes we will set some password, your WhatsApp password messages. Why? Why you will do? Gaurav?
Sir, in order to restrict someone, sir.
Someone means your parents.
Yes, sir.
Especially.
You are doing right that activity.
No, sir, it is not available, sir.
Your parents are not giving that option.
No, sir, I haven't put lock, sir, in WhatsApp, sir.
Means there is no personal data. You can say like that, right?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
See, okay, then fine. See, all are secure only, right, bro? You are securing. Yes or no? See, we can secure however we want. See, you don't want see your personal data. You don't want to see some your personal data. Whoever knows, they can see. Means, sir, whatever service you are creating, that service, do you want to give to everyone?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, do you want to
No.
give the access to everyone? Yes, we can give that
No.
one. Or if you want to restrict, also we can restrict it. Means we have a different types of authentications are available in Pega. We have a different types of authentications are available in Pega. So now sometimes what we will do, hey, I will give some username and password. Could you please access? Or else I will give some secret ID password. Could you please access? Like that we will do the security, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Similar way, if you want to secure your service, then we will specify the authentication type. Okay, na everyone?
Yes, sir.
If you want to secure our services like that generic way I'm writing. Why? Because service package is common to all these services and service soap, service rest, service okay, service file, service email. Okay, if you want to secure our services means service soap, all it will come. Okay, na everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
if we want to secure our services, then we will specify the authentications. Sir, what type of authentication? Basic authentication. Okay. Sir, now basic authentication or the two authentication. Like that we can do some or 2.0 authentication. So like that we have a different authentication types are available. Sir, we can authenticate. Okay. Sir, different services. If you want to do this one with no authentication, we can give basic authentication and different authentications also we can do. These are the different details. Second one is request pooling like that. And okay, we can see the request pooling. Okay, what is the use of request pooling in a service package? Come on, what is the use?
Sir, maximum how many requests it will process, sir?
Come on, what is the use of request pooling? Maximum how many?
Request, sir. Maximum active requesters, maximum idle requesters, and maximum wait.
Sir, means people will ask you whether you people are updating this one. Whoever is working employees, tell me, and whoever is working employee, whoever implemented in our project, whether you people updated.
No, sir, never got a chance.
No, right? But interview point of view, what they are asking.
They will definitely ask, sir, what is request pooling in service package?
Sir, now what is the use of request pooling? Sir, okay, maximum how many requests will be processed at a time?
10, sir. By default, sir.
10.
We need
By
to
default
specify
is
that.
yes, sir.
Especially, for example, just you can think that Amazon, Flipkart, live customers, right? How many customers will be available? Millions of the
Uh,
customers, right?
yes, sir.
Sir, millions of the customers. Sir, even for example, bank point of view, some Pega, especially Pega, okay, Pega point of view. Sir, at a time, whether we will get 100 requests at a time.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Mostly, come on, whoever is working employees, and at least you people will get to know. Okay, for that purpose, I'm asking. Uh, Tell me. Now, in case if you want to, okay, if you want to process, okay, how many requests you want to process at a time? How many requests you want to, okay, you want to keep in ideal mode? Okay, that type of details we can specify in a request pooling. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how many requests? Maximum, okay, by default, what is the default value?
10, sir. 10.
Okay, what is the default value? 10. And sir, now default we can see the 10 values. Sir, now this one what it will do? Sir, now how many requests you want to process? Okay, how many requests you want to wait? That type of information we can specify here. Okay, that type of information we can specify in a requester pooling. We will specify. You need to allow into. You need to. Okay, we can specify these details. And maximum number of requests, how many requests you want to process. Okay, that type of information we can provide. Okay,
Yes,
next
sir.
one, in a service package, okay, these are the details generally we will provide. Okay, next one. So what is the use of parse xml? Okay, what is the use of parse xml is now by using, okay, parse xml we can convert the xml format request into, okay, clipboard format. Okay, na? Come on,
Yes, sir.
every clear clipboard
Yes.
format. For this one, by using parse XML, we can convert the XML format request to clipboard format. What is the use of XML stream role? By using XML stream role, we can convert the clipboard format response, okay, to XML format. In a service package role, what are the details we will specify? Hmm. In a service soap, sorry, in a service rope, we will specify
A page
Uh,
name, class
Page
name.
name, page name.
we will call the activity simple. Okay, we will call the activity to send a response. External system, just like high level I'm updating, but different details. Here we have a, you can explain one by one. Here we have a one different tabs are available. Service tab,
Request tab.
request tab. After that you can explain, sir. After that one by one you can, sir. We have here we have a different tabs are available. Okay, the way of explanation also will explain. Okay. Uh, Next one is
False tab, sir.
fault.
False tab.
Here in a service tab, we will specify the page
Page name,
name
class name.
and class name. Sir, class name means what class name we will specify?
So main
Where,
class name.
wherever
Yeah,
our
both
All
request and response parameters are
request
there.
and response parameters, whatever class, okay, whatever wherever request and response parameters are available, we will specify that class name and page, any page name, whatever page name you can, whatever page name you want, you can specify that page name. By default page is the my service page. My service page. Sir, now I want to override it, then I want to give some different page name, means you can give the different page name also. Sir, here, okay, in a request tab, we will call the, okay, parse XML rule to convert clipboard. Sir,
It's a
XML
XML format too.
format request to clipboard format. In a response tab,
we will call the XML stream rule.
we will call the
XML stream rule.
XML stream rule to convert clipboard response to
XML format.
XML format. For false tab, in a false tab,
We
So
will
we will
handle the
handle the
exceptions.
we will handle the exceptions like mapping errors, data errors,
Yes.
security errors, queue errors,
Service errors.
okay, service errors.
Yes, sir.
So we can handle the exceptions based upon the when conditions and okay. Now main activity. What we will do in activity?
So we will write the logic.
We'll
In
write the
activity,
business logic.
in activity,
We will
we
write
will
a business
we will write a business logic,
to send the response to external application.
business logic to send the response
Response.
to external system. So now I told to table same scenario. Sir, now same scenarios. What is my scenarios? To send the data. To send the data. See, not only this purpose, bro. Okay. Sir, now you can observe. Sir, to logic to create a case. Yes, agree, buddy? To update the case. Come on. To,
Yes, sir.
okay, to delete a case. Okay, generally we will not give the case. Or to, to insert a record. To delete a, to update a record. To, okay, fetch the records. Yes or no? Sir, like that we will write, right? Okay, we will write, right? Sir, now even we can create a cases and when you are giving a request, sir, if someone is going to give the request, sir, now I told that what are the ways we can create a cases? Manually we can create a cases. not only manual. Sir, when someone is going to process their loan request, directly they will not come to us. Okay, they connected with Java application people. From Java application, whoever is looking for loan, that entire data we will get in the form of XML. That XML data, once we got the request, immediately we will create a loan request. Yes, that type of scenarios also are there. In case if they want to update something, they want to know about their loan status. At that time, what they will do, they will send a case ID, email ID. These are the two parameters. When they are providing what is the case status, we will send to them. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
See, like that also we can do. Okay, sir. Theoretically, this is about service of tomorrow. The way of explanation practically I will discuss and okay.
Arjun, what is WSDL URL contains?
Tell
It
me,
contains
everyone, anyone, come on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Host name, port number, HTTP
Hmm.
protocol, host name, port number, service package rule.
Okay.
If you are using
Next
SOAP.
one. Next one. He will explain some different way also. Different. That is one thing. In case Sandeep not satisfied at that time, they will ask some more things.
Query parameter, sir.
Inside that WSL URL, what it contains.
Sir, what type of request and response we want to
Uh,
send?
all your page structures, your elements, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
When you are
sir.
hitting
Yes,
that
sir.
URL, I will explain, Sandeep. What are these even these things also I will write in a notepad. Interview point of view, they will ask you what WSL URL contains. Okay, inside that one also host, port, and then service package, request, query parameters. These details, one version we can see.
Arjun, I want to ask you one thing. Is there any difference between WSDL URL and the endpoint URL? Actually, in
Yes.
rest, we will give the endpoint URL. Right? Just
Yes,
I
yes.
have
We
that
will
doubt.
discuss. We'll discuss when I'm coming. I'm going to discuss about REST. At that time, we'll discuss. Okay. All are these are the common question. What is the difference between WSL URL, endpoint URL? Okay, these questions commonly people will ask. What are the details will be available? Okay. What is the URI? What is the URL? Okay, these are the common questions interview point of view people will ask you one day. Okay.
Arjun, one thing,
Yes.
for the authentication, there are different authentications are available. So
Yes.
like when we should select, like when we should go with which kind of authentication, like when we will decide this. Can you please explain this?
See, so according to me, mostly whatever I implemented or implemented and basic authentication, okay, commonly we will provide a username and password. Second one, okay, different authentication, some custom authentication now we want to implement. Okay, now we can select the custom. In that activity, we will write some more header, some more additional details also required to process your request. At that time, they will customize.
Okay, can we see practically that authentication one, Arjun?
No, no, no,
By any chance, like
no, no.
OAuth 2.0 or
I will
any other
explain.
custom?
I will show you. I will show you. What two? I will show
Yeah.
you. Okay, I will explain.
Okay.
Those,
Yeah.
those things I will explain. Custom. Okay. I will not show you. Okay.
No problem.
Whatever.
OAuth 2.0
I
would
will
be
show
fine
you.
for us.
Practically,
Thank you.
practically, I
Yeah.
will explain. Okay, that is
Thank you, sir.
common. What two only we will use, right? Our real-time projects. Okay, with the practically
Okay.
I will explain, bro. Okay, don't worry.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Arjun, I have a question.
Yes.
Actually, interview question only.
Mm,
If I am having 50 plus connect rest and connect soap in my application,
mm.
what is the best way to handle the endpoint URLs? How can I configure them?
Okay, how we will configure? Whoever knows, explain. Someone.
Sir, again the question, sir. I didn't get, sir.
For example, if you have 100 connectors are available. Okay, 100 connectors or services are available. Okay, where how we will maintain all these endpoint URLs?
Sir, by using DSS.
Sir, DSS we can maintain only
DCR.
one only, right? Okay, we will create one data table, bro. Sandeep. Best way is we will create one data table. In that data table, we will maintain all the endpoint URLs. From the data type we can also one of the okay, even this is also one of the separate class I will discuss. Okay, we have a DSS application settings and dynamic system settings, dynamic DCR like that. Okay, I will explain. Okay, this is separate one day. We'll discuss.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes,
Sir,
yes,
that one we will store in the reference table. When the reference
yes.
table pass the primary, you can get the details, and from there
Instead
we
of
will
reference
get.
table, we will create a separate table. From that separate table, all endpoint URLs we will configure in some separate table, bro. From that table,
Yes.
we will get. Why? Because reference table contains all your other details also, right? These are the secure things, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we
So
will
from the
maintain separate
table,
table.
yes, yes, sir. From the table, we'll bring from data types, we will call, and then by using database and property name, we'll access, sir. Then endpoint URL, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
I
Okay,
will
sir.
explain. Don't worry, sir. Authentication, okay, I will explain practically what to do, how we will implement, and whatever you people are asking, right? Almost all end of the this Saturday Sunday with practical. I will explain each one. After that, you can ask me whatever questions you want in integration point of view. Okay, in integration point of view, whatever you want to ask, you can ask me. I'm ready to answer any question. Okay,
Yeah,
man.
thank you.
Okay, like
Yeah,
that
sir.
we will follow. So unnecessarily instead of debating, I will give the time. I will give the time. Okay, for example, all integrations completed. Now I'm going to. Now you can ask me the questions. What you people are facing the interview questions. If I don't know, again I will go through some. Okay, I will analyze and then I will give the answer in case if I don't know. Okay. No worries,
Okay,
and
sir.
end of the class, how I discussed up to these topics, right? Similar way, I will ask you. I will give the chance to you. Now you can ask me what questions you people are facing. Okay, now I will explain my way. I will explain. Okay, in case if you are not satisfied, no, fine. Then you need to go through
No,
some
sir.
different articles. Bro. Okay, whatever I know, whatever my hands-on experience, okay, I will explain that way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yep.
My,
Arjun,
yes.
uh, Arjun, like one more thing I see in my project that I mean endpoint URLs and everything we are maintaining in one portal, like APGE portal is there. There we are maintaining this URLs.
Okay, that is also fine, right? Okay, now we have some more additional information. Some separate portal you are maintaining. That portal, how you are accessing?
Yeah, like first we have to subscribe the product, then they will give the API key, so we can use that API.
No, that is different, and the subscription and all are different. But URLs and all within Pega somewhere else we will maintain, right? We cannot hit that portals, right? And see, if for example you are saying that not in Pega, within the Pega or else a different one, Kushima.
No, no, actually I'm talking about different one. There is a different portal there. They are maintaining these URLs, Arjun.
That is correct. See, Sandeep, your question is this one or else within Pega?
No, within Pega, Arjun.
Sir, okay, okay. This more one more thing I will tell you. Maybe some subscriptions are required, and directly we cannot use the any APIs. Okay, we need some subscriptions. Whatever Kushma told, right? They will give some API keys based upon those things. We will utilize those services, right, Kushma? Okay, they will all the
Yeah.
integration related things they will maintain into the separate, not like in Pega, some different portals or different websites they will maintain. From there we will get. Yes, I got it, Pushma. Whatever we are doing, right? Whatever you are telling, same thing all. There is some separate website. In that website itself, you can see the URL, schemas, all the details. Not like even this one. Um,
Yeah, yes, sir.
See, whoever is working, right? You people will get to know. Okay. Second one is Sandeep question is in Pega point of view where we will maintain is in our dedicated separate data table we will maintain. Okay, na? Separate data table we will maintain. How we will maintain, how we will get the data and all will explain. And okay, don't worry, I will ask even if you know some more additional information, whatever Kushma told. I know that process. Kushma told some different way we are configuring and all. So that is one of the way. Even if you want to share some more information or also, you can share that information, whatever you know. It will useful to some other people. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Arjun.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure, Arjun.
Thanks, sir. Okay, we'll come to see. Again, I'm telling. Today, just we can buy hard and just we can buy hard as it is. You can buy hard this one. Tomorrow, practically, I will explain. Practically, I will explain. After that, you can do this one. In case tomorrow itself, if they ask you, okay, you can ignore about exception handling, ignore about authentication. When I'm going to complete the authentication, at that time, we can explain what authentication you people implemented. What authentication? How you did exception handling? At that time you can explain. Okay, could you please explain about service soap end to end? What are the rules you create? Even if you are not created, also you can explain. Yes, these are the rules I created in my application, like that you can say. Interview point of view. We'll discuss that way of explanation also. End of the class, end of the integrations, you will get to know all. Okay. Thanks, sir. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.